Here we go, another day. I think this is the third video that I filmed that we have a skyline at the beginning. So we're going over to Car Sudz. He's having an open house that's private, so it's gonna be a good time. And let's get on the road. So we're about to pull up on Car Sudz or Car Sudz. It's a pretty good location because this strip right here has a lot of other shops, but Fuel Run actually started their drive here in this rental company that's right here, and Car Sudz is around the block right here, so I'm excited to see what he got. Cool. So I see a Supra and the skyline. Oh, the flags are there. He even got a whole Lambo, bro. Jesus Christ. My guy. So here's Lex with the R32. Got our boy with the RCF. My boy. So got the Lambo. We got an RCF. We got the 5.0. And we got a Performante. So good Car Sudz. This is dope, bro. Got the perfect lighting. Got the mat at the bottom. Dope. More lights around. Damn. This is probably gonna be our car week hangout spot now, I guess. You know, I'm down to play. Damn, my boy. Fucking dope, dude. I'm just here for Street Fighter, right? Yeah. I'm just here, bro. Yeah, I'm ready, dog. Jeez. Bro, let's... Here's the office space. What? El compa Chel ya llegó. With the orange, the yellow. Yeah, I think I saw him when he drove this way, but not when he pulled up. Tucking. Needs more low though. I'm gonna grab Alan's camera and go ahead and shoot some photos with that.